Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create a Fiverr gig to sell articles and writing services. So let's get started. So to create that, you have to follow this easy step. So first you can just open here your browser and then you have to go into your google.com, and after going here, then you can directly search for here as your Fiverr. Just go to the fiverr.com. So Fiverr is the biggest freelancing marketplace for seller and buyers too. So it has too many potentials to buy or sell here. So to become a seller here or to create a seller account, just follow these easy steps. So first go to their website, load the website first. So here we can see the Fiverr. You can read many things. So in Fiverr you can sell many things such as your WordPress designs, graphic designing, voiceovers, and many types of things like SEO and like budget. You can have a good budget from, like, if you're a buying side. If you're a selling side, then you can sell into the higher rates and cheaper rates too. So if you go here, you have to click on the join section at the top right section as you see here. Just click on this here. Then from here you can click on continue with email. So here you have to put the email. Then here you have to put the password. So here we can see I will just put my password. I will not show to you because of the privacy reasons. Okay. Then click on this continue, and from here I have to put a user name. So let's put this. So I will put my username as, let us say, as tutorial tutorial 101, for example, like this. Let's say create an account. Then here they will send you a request code, so you have to put this here. So let's wait. So it's there, so let me put it. So it's a 00209438. So it will check the code, and then from here it will say please activate here. So here you have to select your services. So here I am selling my services. Just select here, do next. So here you are, you have to just put their like work type. So here we are like a solo freelancer. Just click on this next. Then from here we will just click on let's getting started. So then you can click on this complete your seller profile. Then here you have to verify your seller profile. So just click on this become a seller. Then you have to click on continue. Then click on continue. Then here you have to read these things, like it will open this here. Click on continue. So from here you have to give your full name. So here I'm taking like full name as, let's say, John Smith. So it's my display name, so you can just edit your display name too. Then here we can just put a profile picture. If you want to, you can. Here you have to write your description. So you can just write like description like this way, like hello, like this way. Hello, I am a, like this way you can do. Hello, I am a freelancer, like this way. Hello, I am a freelancer. You have to write about like 150 characteristics. Then you have to select your language here. So here I'm selecting my language. So it's English. Here you have to select your language level. So it's like a conversable. Then here you have to put like the 150 characteristics. So I am doing like a random things because I have to show you guys. So it's like a 155 words. So I will just click on this add. Then you have to click on continue. So here you're asking something. So here I have to put a profile picture. So let's take a random picture. So I'm taking like off my watch. Let's see, will it take or not. So you have to be ready with your profile picture. Make sure you are like taking a profile picture of yourself or a company logo. Just click on continue. Then from here you have to put your occupation. So here is our like a article writing, or you can say like a digital marketing section. You can just put it here as your ebooks, like affiliate marketing, SEO marketing, and many other things you can do. Then you can just give your skills. So our skills is article writing, let's say article writing, experience level expert, just add it. And then from here you have to add your education background, then your certificate if you have any. Then you have to provide your portfolio link. It's private, you can just do. Okay, just continue. So here you have to select your experience. So let's say I have experience of 4 years. Then click on continue. After here you have to verify your phone number, and then you have to do like finish, and then you can just make a gig. So to make a gig you have to have a picture here. So I will just leave it here. So if you see here, you can just take the inspiration. So you can see like article writing. So from here you can just take inspiration. For example, this guy like a Fiverr choice, you can take him like inspiration, that you have to make a like a simple and clear picture. You can just create it by this way, and first you will become a seller. So I suggest you to be like online 24 into 7, because it is very hard to like the buyers to find the like the freelancer. As we can see, it have like a about 31,000 like plus freelancers, so the buyer will select the better one. So I suggest you to make a best thumbnail for your article, and then you can just share them, and then you can make money by adding your PayPal and other payment payout options. So by this way you can just create it, and it's an easy way too. So from here you can see like the other people can also see your profile. I suggest you to write a best bio. Your skills should be good. Your clients, you can see if you work with a big client, so it will show you into profile. You have to good in your speaking skills and many other things. So by this way you can do it. And this is how to create a Fiverr gig to sell and writing services. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for your watching.